Let's learn IIB. Today, we will discuss the differences between IIB and ACE. This is one of the most common interview question as many organizations are planning to migrate to ACE. In part 1 of our video, we discussed topics such as DFTL, MRM, SOAP, REST, HTTP node, SOAP node. New version of IIB released by IBM for cloud and containers is called Application Connect Enterprise. Even though it is designed for cloud, you can install it on-prem with these operating systems. 1 Windows, 2 Linux and 3 AIX. Some architectural changes have been made to IIB to make it cloud ready, such as quick start time, low utilization of resources such as CPU, memory and disk, single OS process for ACE is shown on screen. While IIB needs multiple processes for just one integration server, ACE just needs one. ACE does not provide data flow engine, process supervision with BIP broker like what you had in IIB. ACE in 2018 removed dependence of integration. In ACE, you have single step deployment and configuration with policies in the bar file. In IIB, you would use config services to override or abstract some specific property needed by your message flow. For example, sensitive data which might differ between runtimes such as dev, test and prod would be abstracted into config files. You will have to create config file as step 1, then deploy bar file as step 2. That's how you would do this in IIB. In ACE, you will use policies instead of config files, config services. Policies can be packaged into bar file. So, change release would be a single deployment. It would be a single step of deploying the bar file. In IIB, when you make changes to config services, you have to reload integration server for the changes to take effect. App Connect Enterprise version 11 provides developers with the ability to create policies inside policy projects using ACE Toolkit. MQSA start message flow command is new in ACE 11.005 to be exact. As the name suggests, its purpose is to enable users to individually start a particular message flow. MQSA stop command is enhanced in ACE Fixpack 5. Although earlier Fixpacks provided this command, its implementation was limited to the control of integration node. In ACE Fixpack 5, many other options have been added to extend the control towards integration server and applications. Another main difference between IIB and ACE is the use of ACE Vault. Using ACE Vault in ACE Fixpack 6, you can store credentials in encrypted form. These encrypted credentials are used by a flow running in an integration server to access database using JDBC, for example. Access database using a Java compute node and a JDBC provider policy. The credential is referenced in the JDBC provider policy. Recall that in IIB version 10, we used MQSA setDB params to store credentials. In ACE, we use MQSA Vault and MQSA credentials command. Let me know in comments if you can recall any other changes between IIB and ACE. Reply in comments.